girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Make me wanna dance.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me wanna, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose
chance. It's like that, I know you know when you see. Five for five of pure sexy. I see. Her bitch wanna be her and they wanna meet you. You get a bookings in my city. I see niggas looking in my city. I know what you've been up to, and it's no good. It's no good, you know what I'm doing. Baby, I'm out you, without pursuing. You can know, girl, the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season, it got like your life. This is your chance. I know. Take a chance. It's like that, I know. Will you see?
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll the dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh girl, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you've been fighting for your shot, and you've been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we're doing a review for Kiss Love Hair. Today you guys, I'm reviewing this beautiful 13x4 highlight unit from them, you guys. I haven't done something like this in a while and I am loving this. Girl, I am absolutely loving this. So as you guys saw, this unit did come in a body wave texture and I really loved how beautiful the body wave was, and I didn't want to like completely get rid of that. I feel like I just wanted to kind of add a little something to what was already done, and so I decided to just add a little bit of crimps up top, and I feel like that was like the best decision ever, and it just looks so good. Very quick and easy to do as well. And if you guys are wondering about the crimping iron, this is a crimping iron that I sold on my website about a year ago, maybe like a year, maybe even 2 years now. I had these on the site. I no longer sell them, but yeah, that is what this is about, and it's so wide and just amazing. I love it. Obviously, you know, you guys know my favorite color is pink and it's all blinged out and it gets really hot, but I love it because you can do a large section of your hair all at one time, and it just allows you to crimp your hair a lot quicker than, you know, other crimping irons. That is what I used, and it came out so pretty. Look how nice and defined that is. This hair looks so healthy. I love the subtle highlights in it. It's a nice like honey brown type of highlight going throughout the hair, and that highlight is throughout the hair, you know, so it's not just at the top. You do have some pieces down here at the bottom as well. Same thing on this side. Like the color goes all throughout the unit. Even if you were like to pull the hair back, you still get a pop of that color. And I just feel like it's a very subtle way to wear a different kind of color, and it just looks so beautiful. I absolutely love this color on me. I feel like it complements my skin tone really well, and I love how this unit came out. Now, as you guys saw, I did something a little bit different today, and I did use the lace tape to actually install this unit. I've actually haven't done that before. I've had units that like already had the tape in there, and then I like use that tape, but I never actually use like the tape that they give you that's separate to like install a unit, and I actually really like it. I didn't know like how I would feel about it, but it's like it fits so snug, and it just fits, it's like perfect. Like I think I fell in love with like a new method. So I did take this unit down today, you guys, but only the very sides. This middle section here is not taped down. That part is just, you know, free, and I'll just do a quick comb test for you guys. You can go right up under there. But I love like how natural this looks here. This unit does come with the knots already bleached on it. I'm sure you guys saw when I first unboxed this unit how amazing the hairline looked. It was pre-plucked to perfection, and not only that, it was literally ready to wear out of the box. But the way that they had everything like done for you, I love that. I love the fact that they bleached the knots on it, and they did a really great job doing that. It gave it such a natural type of look, which I love. And then you also get a lot of parting space on this unit going back, and it's not one of those lace front units where you only get like a little bit of parting space and then the rest of it is like a bunch of tracks. You can actually part this as a nice deep side part as well. But yeah, it just turned out so pretty. Love this. Like I said, I love the texture in it, and I just didn't want to lose it, so I just add a little bit of crimps to it, and that's definitely a cheat code. So if you guys want to get like the crimp look without crimping all of your hair, this is the way that you do it. But yeah, so I do currently have this, and I want to say this is possibly a 24-inch, and I like the density for this one. It's like not too thick, not too thin. It's literally the perfect density for me. Love that. And also we have to talk about the construction of this unit. So as you guys saw earlier, this unit does actually have the pull strap that's in the very back, and I did show you guys how to adjust that. You literally just like pull it to your liking to fit your head, and then you slide that little button part down to, you know, tighten it, and then you just like tuck that underneath your unit, so it fits so perfect. And you also have the adjustable elastic band that you can like hook in or take out. It's completely optional. Sometimes you don't need those when you have like the pull straps in the back, but if you just want like the extra security and just like a nice flat install, then yeah, definitely consider keeping that adjustable elastic band inside. So this is how it turned out though, you guys. I really love this. Let me know how y'all feel about this, because I don't know, I just feel so pretty in this color, and just this look, it just looks so pretty. It's fire. Love it. But yeah, this is one of those pre-everything units, you guys, that I love. They're perfect for anyone who's a beginner, wants to save time, if you want to save money on buying a bunch of different products, if you don't know how to pluck the hairline properly, if you don't know how to melt the lace. This is one of those units where you really don't even have to like do anything. And like someone like me who does a lot of hair reviews, the last thing that I want to do is just like constantly be going to the beauty supply store to buy like bleach and developer and spending hours plucking a unit, washing it, blow drying it, all of that. Like it just takes a lot out of me. So the fact that these units come with everything done, I cannot tell you the last time that I had to go to the beauty supply store to buy bleach and developer, the last time I even had to pluck a unit. I haven't plucked a unit in literally months, probably longer than that. And it's because of units like this that are like done for you. I also like all the free goodies that we received today. So they do give you a Kiss Love bonnet, and it's pink. You guys know how much I love pink. I love the packaging for this company. And you also get a Kiss Love robe. Since I already had a robe on, I didn't wear the robe, but you can definitely wear that robe when you're doing your install. You guys know I always wear a silk robe every time I do my hair. That's like mandatory. You also get some false lashes, and I also got a new razor, which I'm really happy about. And speaking of razors, you didn't even have to like shave the hairline or anything. The lace is pre-cut as well. So the only thing that I had to do was just like adjust it around my ears, and then like I said, just add these crimps to it. But other than that, didn't have to do anything. But yeah, I got me a new razor, which I'm happy about because my old razor is dull and I definitely needed a new razor, so I'm happy about that. You get so many goodies in this packaging, so I love that. So if you guys have never tried Kiss Love Hair before, I highly recommend them. They're a really great company. The shipping is amazing. The customer service is fantastic, and you can't forget about the hair. The hair is definitely a no-brainer. I feel like it's so healthy. It's just such a great color, and the actual quality is something that's gonna last you a long time. So we have no complaints with this whatsoever. It's so pretty, so flawless. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit for yourself, then definitely check out that description box down below for a link to this hair along with all the details. If there is something that I didn't cover, drop a comment and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Kiss Love Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.